the worst part about being up this early to ride. I can't even ride my bike into my truck. I'll wake the neighbors up.
There was nothing in my head that told me that I can't do this.
Whoa! Iowa smells. We got some bad stink here. I don't even know what's going on. It's coming all the way through my bit. Can't be having that.
I showed them who I was and then I made it just a spite. How did I get here?
Well, I'm back. I think I'm back. I'm not really sure, but I'm going riding today at Oak Ridge, and I'm so pumped about it. This place is one of my favorites. While I'm waiting for my order at McDonald's, I know it's a healthy choice, about to go riding. It's just a sausage biscuit and a hash brown. It's fine. This has been the longest period of time that I've ever been off a dirt bike. It's been 7 months. You start to really kind of think about it too much, I think, and question yourself whether you really even know how to do it anymore. I'm gonna jump a dirt bike today. Like, get both wheels off the ground on my dirt bike. What is wrong with us? Like, why do we do this? I'm excited to ride my new 25 Honda 450. Got from Storm Lake Honda. Thing's sweet. Used to have helmets and gear bags and gloves and stuff back there, but now I just got car seats and just nothing like I expected it to be. I've gone through like 5 or 6 ACLs. Like, you can kind of know when it's gonna hurt and know what to do and what not to do. But then whenever you got a whole different deal in there, just a foreign part in your body, that it's just, you don't know when it's gonna hurt or what it's gonna do or why it's gonna do it. Sometimes I'll be sleeping and I'll just move my leg wrong and it just lights me up. Before I got it done, I talked to McGrath and a couple people like that got it done. He said, dude, I was riding 2 months, best thing I've ever done. It was awesome. That's like a third of the time of an ACL. Like, heck yeah, I'm ready to go. Count me in. Why didn't they replace this thing years ago? But now that I've got it replaced and it's been 7 months, I still don't really know that I should be riding. My doctor said that, yeah, you'd be fine. Go ahead and ride, do what you do. But I just don't feel good. I don't feel right. And maybe that's not the right decision to go riding with that and feel like that, but it's something where maybe I just feel like it just needs to break in, if that makes sense. After the couple laps I rode at Mesquite, the thing was about 3 times the size of my other knee. So I'm really hoping that doesn't look like that tomorrow and that I can actually walk. Sure feels good to be back at the track. It's like heaven out here. This is such a cool track. Just paying my entry fee. Check out what I got.
All the way at the top.
Out here with my Vet MX boys, and I got a mechanic.
Oh yeah.
You got me covered. I got a little leak here. It's
Look at that.
It's just a little brake fluid.
There she is.
We cinched her up. It's nice. We're prime time, ready to go. You guys having fun out here today?
Oh yeah,
Fun.
Yeah, buddy. It's a good day when you're on a dirt bike. Mechanic Mike on the case. We're running 136 sag in our rain and suspension, but I think we're gonna get fixed up here. It's gonna be better. I think I'm gonna take my GoPro out. You guys want to see what the track looks like? All right. Look at this beautiful place, Oak Ridge. About to pop my knee out of place doing a nose wheel. What the heck, man? Woo!
Now, I was looking for the Miller time, or you know, the old Brett Miller time videos. I can't find them on YouTube.
Dude, I know they had to take them all off there. It sucks. Huh? So bummed about that.
I was just thinking about that the other day, and I saw you. And I was
yeah, that Max, the videos of Max are always sweet, huh? He's such a bad dude, but now he's gone big time. He's all super crossed out on us. Too cool for us little people. You hear that, Max? We got to ride again, buddy. But you're gonna have to go slow to. Oh, it made me look so stupid.
I think it was. It's just that my forks are too soft now, I think.
Okay. Well, yeah, I mean, that would make sense because...
Yeah, especially being like...
back on the front where it's supposed to be, so if we...
I feel like sitting up so high, this tall seat also doesn't help that. Just because it's still putting more weight towards the front. It's not like settling it down to the back, you know? And then these short, these not tall handlebars,
those are really
also make it a little bit tough because I feel like I'm leaning forward more than I need to.
What bend is that?
McGrath bend. I thought it'd help my 9X, but
I'm tired. I'm a little sunburned also, but we're gonna ignore that part. It was so fun today at the track. Oak Ridge is always an awesome place, and it was actually just what the doctor ordered for me. Especially, it was like he knew I was coming, so he made the track perfect for Brett conditions. There was not very many ruts. It got a little bit more rutted as the day went, but you could tell it was more like just soft underneath stuff that turned into ruts. So it was like harder on top, and it was kind of weird. It had been a long time since I've ridden ruts like that. It's been a long time since I've ridden anyways, but it had been a long time since I'd ridden ruts like that. And I mean, it was good because it wasn't a bunch of soft ruts you had to just really be focused through to be able to make it. Got to see the Vet MX people, all the guys, Jason, everybody, Mike, all the guys were super awesome and welcoming. They saved me a spot, and it's always cool to be around those guys. I just honestly didn't know any of them. I hadn't met them until last year whenever I went to their Vet MX ride day after I had my knee surgery, and I didn't even get to ride. But if you get a chance, whenever you do order on MotoSport.com, please go and donate to those guys because they're definitely putting the money to good use, and it goes to a good place, good cause. So all the Vet MX people are super good people, and they all just love the moto. So the day was good. I feel like I was all right at the very beginning, and my leg was not really bothering me too much, and I just really need to get stronger. That's all it really comes down to. It's being off the bike for so long, and I don't work out like I should, and I can tell because right now, even holding up this phone for this long, it's making my arm tired. My shoulder's about to give out, but we're gonna ignore that part too. I got these $20 off $100 purchase MotoSport gift cards just for entering the track today. I want to give them away, so I have about everything I need for my bike. I don't think it can get much sicker. What should I do for a contest? Any ideas? You guys hit me in the comments below and let me know what contest that I should do to give away these gift cards. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in and keeping with me rambling about my knee and about my life and about dirt bikes and all that stuff. But if you like these, let me know and I will keep doing them. But if not, just also let me know, really, and I will, well, I'll not do them. But I'm gonna go to Texas Roadhouse. It's time to eat. See you guys.